Hi guys, so for this video I'll be using a crochet hook in size 3.25 millimeters and cotton. I believe this one is in size 4, I believe. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now I'll chain 6. Now that I've chained 6 on the last chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 6, then through the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, through the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 3, and through the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 3, through the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Now that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have 5 3 chain loops. We'll make 1 more because we need 6 3 chain loops. Now right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, through the same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 2, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 2, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 2, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 2, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now to finish this row 2, right here through this next single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I will chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 3, through this next 2 chain loop right here from a previous row I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Again I'll chain 3. For this second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 3. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through the same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through the same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 3. I'll skip this first single crochet chain, and through the second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 3. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Oops. Chain 1, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, Now through the second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 3, then through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet, chain 1, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet, chain 1, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through this second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, I'll chain 3, then through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet, chain 1, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Now to finish row 3 I'll chain 3, then right here through this single crochet chain I will make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4 and our final row, well, you see right here through this next chain I will make a slip stitch. Right here through this loop I'll make 2 single crochet. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop 1 single crochet. Now through this next triple crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, I'll chain 3, then through that same chain I'll make 1 single crochet, through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, through this 3 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet, through this next double crochet chain 1 single crochet, through this next 1 chain loop 1 single crochet, through this next triple crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, I'll chain 3, then through that same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Obviously I'm repeating myself a lot, but now right here through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, through this next double crochet chain 1 single crochet, through this next 3 chain loop 2 single crochet, through this next 3 chain loop 2 single crochet, through this next double crochet chain 1 single crochet, through this next 1 chain loop 1 single crochet, through this next triple crochet chain 1 single crochet, I'll chain 3, then through that same triple crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, through this next double crochet chain 1 single crochet, through this next 3 chain loop 2 single crochet, through the next 3 chain loop again we make 2 single crochet. Oh, we are only halfway done with this row. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, through this next 1 chain loop 1 single crochet, through the next triple crochet chain 1 single crochet, and then I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet, through the next 1 chain loop 1 single crochet, through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Okay, guys, I like feta cheese and bread, so I went to the store and got this bread that's halfway baked. Well, actually I'm gonna I'm not gonna crop, I'm gonna try to finish this row. So basically we're gonna repeat the same thing throughout this row. Let me tell you the story. So there is this feta cheese. Generally is made in Turkish, but you know a lot of Greek stores they have it too. But you know in Balkans we use a lot of cheese, well, it's like feta cheese, but it's so delicious if you're used to it. And if you eat it with a warm bread, oh my goodness, it tastes so good. So earlier I went to store, and in some stores they have this half-baked bread, which usually you have to cook it, you know, as soon as you open the bag, all of it, because otherwise it will have mold in it. Hush, stove. I'm trying to finish this video. I'm not getting up till I finish this because I'm stubborn. So that I baked it. I was like, well, let me see if I can finish this snowflake in under 13 minutes, which is how I set up the time. See, I almost made a mistake, which I didn't. And then apparently it was done before I finished this snowflake, but I'm stubborn and I will not go until I'm done. Because I'm not a quitter. I'm not a quitter. Okay, so I'm sorry for the noise you're gonna hear. Okay. Now right here through this next one chain loop, 1 single crochet, through this next double crochet chain, 1 single crochet. Oh my god, I cannot wait to eat that with warm bread and feta cheese. It tastes so good. You guys should give it a try. Now to finish this last row, right here through this next single crochet chain, I will make a slip stitch. And then I will chain 1, and then I will cut this yarn, which I actually should get up, because sometimes if you don't open the oven as soon as the timer is up, then the bread hardens, which is still fine, but it's not as good as when it's like warm and fluffy. You probably hear it a couple more times, okay? Because I have to starch this too. Also, I went to the store and bought some starch because apparently I had ran out. In a few hours it will be dry, but generally I leave them till next day, and you know, it will just be stiff and nice.